In this video, we will paint such stylized metal. We will discuss painting principles. First of all, if you want to paint any metal, it's better to start with dark color base. If you look at realistic reference, every metal would be shiny because it reflects the surrounding light. But we need to start with such dark color base. Choose rectangular lasso and make such selection. Then press T and fill it with one color. Now we need to understand where the light is coming from. On this one, it's better to paint it from above and left. Only then we can imagine every side of the metal. It will look like this. Next, we need to block shadow and light. Notice that color for shadow is colder and more saturated. And for light, it should be warmer and less saturated. You need to blend these colors together. Keep in mind that every side of the metal receives different amount of light. Notice that every side has its own gradient. Once the light touches certain place, it will spread along the surface. That's why we have gradient here. After we block light and shadow, we need to pick color from light and paint highlights with really subtle values. We don't need to rush with the contrast. Sometimes you can pop our highlights with dark colors like this. Same here. Notice how highlights interact with the surface. After we have all our subtle details in place, we need to add bright white highlights on the sharpest places, corners. Some of these highlights look like small dots, other like triangular shapes, but anyways we use them as small shapes. Only after we painted such white highlights, we will push them with gradients. At this stage, we will make the surface shinier. We need to pick polygonal lasso and make a selection like this. Then we pick big soft brush and tap slightly on corners. We will get a result like this. Lasso makes everything sharper and glossier. You can make the same with ambient occlusion. Finally, after we got result like this, it's time to finalize our painting. I will add different colors like this blue. It looks like a reflection from the sky. Doesn't make much sense, but it looks artistic. Also, don't forget to add red or orange colors. I like to put red in dark parts. Green color works as well. And after some detailing, you can get a result like this. In this video, we wanted to show main principles, but we didn't talk about painting techniques and design. All these topics you could master with constant practice and feedback. If you want to learn more about stylized materials and hand-painted textures, check out our Handpaint Complete Guide on Gumroad. You can check progress of many students in my Instagram. Thank you for watching.